My next quick tip is primarily for first-time home buyers. So when you're renting an apartment, you tend not to think much about the appliances unless something breaks. And really then, even you just call your landlord, they may come over and take care of fixing it. So not a big deal. But the hard truth of home ownership is that when you're now the one who has to figure out how to repair it and then pay for it, means you really should be motivated to keep your appliances running smoothly. So the first thing is get familiar with some basic maintenance. And this can be maybe changing air filters in your appliances, cleaning your oven, replace your water filter, maybe you winterize your outdoor faucets. Usually you can get this stuff really quickly on the internet, just doing a quick search for the model number of whatever appliance you're using. And they'll also even tell you how often and what tasks you need to do. Then just put a note on your calendar and remind yourself when you need to do these so you can stay on top of the maintenance. Because it is much easier and more cost effective to maintain what you already have than it is to replace it. A little work when you buy your home will go a long way in making home ownership easier.